Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous Builds here. Yeah, again, it's been another break as usual. I'm not gonna go ahead and keep making excuses. It's just been a lot with work and everything else going on. So we've had a couple projects come and go. One that I bought that would have been great for the channel, but I stole it because it was just way too much for the space and everything else that I've got going on right now. So ended up just going ahead and selling that, but ZR1's still around. Jonah's BRZ is still around. A couple projects that were on the channel are still around. We haven't really sold a whole lot. Yeah, the Banshee project is gone. Needed the room for this current project that's up with me in my new apartment. Just doing what I can with it, just tinkering around with it, rebuilding it. But yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what we got. Shouldn't be too surprising, but here is my 1993 Toyota Supra. It is a naturally aspirated 5-speed hardtop. From this side, it looks great. Obviously, you can see there's stuff going on the other side. Missing the headlights. Engine trans is there. It's all good and dandy. We're missing the ECU and alternator, which should have within the next week to get that running. But other than that, it's in good running condition. But here's where the issues start. So it was, as you can see on these tires, kind of, sort of, there's absolutely no tread on them. So somebody slid into a guardrail in '08, and it's kind of been just sitting since in Georgia. So it's been in good weather at least. Interior's mostly there. Missing the shifter surround, missing the e-brake surround, missing a couple pieces here and there that I was promised that I didn't get. But other than that, like the trunk is complete. There's missing parts back there, but we've got them all inside. Nice leather seats. Unfortunately, it's tan, not black, but it does have the 6-speed headliner, which the 6-speed headliners were black, and the naturally aspirated hardtop headliners were like this cloth, like grayish color. It's kind of weird, but yeah, I'm not 100% sure why that is, but yeah, it shouldn't take a whole lot to get up and going anyways. The main thing is this quarter panel, which I've already started working on here. These spot welds weren't drilled out when I got it, but I've been kind of plinking away on that. As you can see, the drills down there. I've been working on that today too. The hatch alignment isn't great. I think I'm gonna have to pull it slightly. The frame is straight. It's just like the upper apron area. The roof is straight. There's a slight buckle kind of up here. It's very, very hard to see. It's where the factory seam on this side goes, but it's really, really minor, and it won't get pulled out with a frame machine. That'll just have to have some more filler. The car was originally red. I don't exactly know why somebody went ahead and took the liberty to paint it this freaking awful, like, matte red. You can see the orange peel in it. But yeah, they painted over all. These are supposed to be black. They're supposed to be black on the bottom of that, and their little rocker cover down there is supposed to be black. But they painted over all that, and the factory front lip they painted over. I don't know why. Like, the calipers are painted red, these wheels are painted black. It's just, I don't know. It'll get changed. I've got a set of wheels kind of back here. Oh, sorry for this awful garage. Got a set of wheels back here that'll probably go on it. Some work. But anyways, that's the wrecked Supra project rebuild that we've got going on here. I'm hoping to have some more updates. This is my second time trying this video just because I couldn't get anything going, or it just was not great in the garage. So I'm going to try to do more videos when I can outside. But yeah, we're missing the lights too. I've got taillights already bought, just waiting for them to get shipped to me. But yeah, I need to buy headlights. Got a buddy up here that's got them. But anyways, that's the Supra project. Hopefully you guys are excited to see it going. The plans with this car ultimately are just a daily driver. I've always wanted just an NA 5-speed Supra, just a daily drive, and maybe eventually I'll turbo it, do a GT swap, or maybe even a 1UZ swap, something weird like that. But anyways, that's the project. I won't keep dragging it on here, make it kind of short and sweet video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to, go ahead and share it, and that would be awesome. See you later.